Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Device to INFINIX Hot 12i. First of all, choose Access Play Store on both smartphones and install completely free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now from this screen you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do the same on INFINIX. Finally choose Send on your Motorola and Receive on INFINIX smartphone. Then you can finally pick all of your files that you wish to transfer by tapping on all of those dots and choosing Send over here. It will take a long time to transfer all of them now, so I will go with only this one photo, click on Send and tap on Get It. Now on INFINIX, choose No Thanks and close this window. As you can see, finally, we have two ways to connect. If you want to scan this QR code, you can do that by choosing this scanning icon, tapping on while using the app or only this time, and pointing your INFINIX camera at the code. You can also, though, input this key over here and tap on Receive instead. Either way, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!